Hello everybody. Today let's discuss about how to sharpen our brain. We are all aware that we all have 5 senses: touch, taste, sight, smell and hearing. But the successful people have a 6th sense, which is nothing but the common sense. How many of us are really using common sense in day-to-day life? Getting common sense, I don't think that we require an education. But education without common sense is worthless. If you want to apply your education and knowledge to your day-to-day life, to your day-to-day living, to improve your lifestyle, you need to have a common sense. And for this, continuously we need to upskill, fine-tune, sharpen the brain. And we all have seen, and the brain is more sharper the more and more you use the brain. So if you don't use the brain, it will get contracted and it will be functioning. The more and more we get the brain activated, the more and more you can use the common sense, the more thinking you can do, the more thoughtful processes you can execute. And that is the beauty of the sharpening of the brain. Now, just to give you an example, there was a woodcutter by name Ramu. He was hired by a company and he was working for 5 long years in that company and never got an increment. One fine day, another woodcutter joined by name Somu. The nature of the job was that they used to have a contract that every day they should cut one tree, and at the end of the month he will be paid 10,000 rupees minimum if you cut minimum number of trees. The more and more you cut, the more and more you will get. That's the contract, because it's a result-oriented company. When the next man Somu joined, within a year, he got the rise of 20,000 rupees. So Ramu got wild. So he went and asked his boss, "Boss, I have been working here for the last 5 years and I never got an increment. But Somu joined only last year and he got an increment of 10,000 rupees, double the salary." And then he said, "Ramu, go and watch what you are doing. Because you have to work hard. We are all result-oriented company. You have to cut more number of trees. You are cutting the same number of trees every day, which you were doing 5 years back. And we can't be a profitable company if you work and perform like this." Then Ramu went back and hitting hard. He's doing the same thing. He's not able to cut more than what he used to cut for all the 5 years. Every day. So then again he came back complaining that what's the fun? I'm doing the working hard and doing all these things, but still I'm not able to cut more number of trees. Then let's go and watch Somu what he is doing. Then both of them went and watched Somu cutting the tree. He's also cutting the same what Ramu is doing. Then these two thought, how is he able to cut more number of trees? So then the boss asked Ramu and go and asked Somu how he is able to cut more number of trees. Then he went and asked Somu, "Hey, you joined just last year and I've been working here for the last 5 years and you are able to cut more number of trees and you just got an increment of double the salary. How is it happening?" Then he said, "Every tree I cut, I'm taking a gap for 5 minutes and sharpening my axe. Again cutting another tree, again sharpening the axe. When did you sharpen your axe?" And that was an eye-opening for Ramu. He never sharpened his axe. And he is doing the same thing for the last 5 years. Then he got the moral of the story, and then we went on. I think we know the rest of the story. So this applies to every one of us. When did you sharpen your axe? And what is our axe? Brain. Because we are all working with the brain. How do we sharpen the brain? By thinking, using the mind. By thinking more and more and more, doing more exercises, more brain-related exercises, more brain teasers, more puzzles, solving more problems, trying to solve the more problems, and all these way we sharpen our brain. So let's practice this, and as a young generation, you need to sharpen your brain continuously. Keep solving Sudoku puzzles, keep solving crossword puzzles, and whatever it is, use your brain. Whenever you do, use your brain. That is when you use the common sense, right? So thank you very much. We'll see you again.